Hi, I'm Austin. Welcome to my shop. Today we're going to be making a cribbage board in the shape of Submarine. Lately I've had a lot of people requesting cribbage boards, so I'm going to take you along and show you how I do it. Here you can see I've drawn everything up in V-carve. What we're going to do is put this all into the CNC, and it's going to do most of the work. Come over here to the CNC. As you can see, I've got a board already loaded up, got the machine set and ready. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and start it up. I'll throw it on a time lapse and you can watch the whole thing run. So as you can see, I messed this one up. The profile cut, the machine reached its limit on the right, so the profile kind of cut into the holes. So I'm going to have to restart this one. Alright, here I got my blank ready. That's what I'm going to use for the Submarine now, since I screwed up the other one. I'm going to go ahead and plane it and get it flat and ready to cut. And next thing I'm going to do here is sand it up, so it's kind of smooth. Now this board, I've actually made sure it's long enough. The other one was just long enough to fit the Submarine. And I've put plenty of space on this side, so the carriage isn't gonna run in to the side there. This is what happened on the last one. So we're gonna go ahead and set our 0 point on here. What I'm going to do now is 0 it. I always raise it up just a hair before I start. I will select my file, which is the profile. Oops. Profile. And I'll start, and I'll start a time lapse so you can watch it. Alright, here we got the second version of the Submarine all cut out. As you can see, it actually turned out pretty well. We got the engraving there, got double skunk line, got the skunk line. Again, that's kind of where I messed up. On the last one, I had a board a little too far over. Next thing we'll do is we'll go out and cut this out on the bandsaw, get a flush trim bit, and get the shape of it all down. next step in the process here, since I only did a profile cut for one pass on this, you can kind of see it. Just got the rough bandsaw marks there. It's a lot quicker if I just use a flush trim bit, which I've got mounted in the router here. Next, I'll take the rest off. Here it is. We've got the completed Submarine cribbage board. As this is for a gift, the gentleman this is being given to was actually on a submarine. These are the 4 subs that he was actually on, and I engraved those into the back with my laser. And that's the finished product. Thanks for watching.